Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to show you how to change out the battery in your key fob in case your key fob goes dead. Now, this will still work. This will still start your car if your battery is dead. And I have another video of things you didn't know about your Infiniti G37. So make sure you look at that if you're not sure, and I will leave a link in the description below. But let's go ahead and change this battery out. So the first thing I want to do is I want to take this key out. I'm just going to press this little lever. Pop this bad boy over here. And now what we're going to do is flip this over, and we're going to look here, and we see a couple little notches, and that's what we're going to work with. So you can take a screwdriver, a butter knife, a small screwdriver, whatever you like. You're just going to kind of set it right in there, and then you're just going to kind of pry a little bit, and then you feel it kind of pop, right? So just kind of move it around. Bingo. So it pops open just like that. Open her up, and now I have access to that battery. So when we look in here, you'll see this little spring mechanism right here. Okay, that kind of holds that battery in there. And you can take a little screwdriver or what have you, but I'm gonna go on the back side and pry up right there, and it pops it right out. And there's our old battery. Now this battery is a CR2032, so you can replace it with that, or my replacement I'm using is a Duracell CR2025, and these are interchangeable, so you can use either one. So here we go. So now we just put the battery back in, and as you'll see that spring mechanism again, what I'm going to do is I'll start from the back and slide it forward into that. So once again, it just looks like this, starting from the back, sliding forward into there, and it should just slide right in, no problems. So the next thing is put this back together, line it up, and it should snap back together just like that. So next thing to do is put your key in, and there you have it. That is it. So let's make sure that this works. All right, so let's give this a try. And there we have it. Hey guys, appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.